All right, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is something I feel is pretty special. But before we dive into the video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to you guys and gals thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But all the opinions and thoughts that you're going to hear are 100% my own and were not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion because, as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 with you guys and gals. So without further ado, let's spin the cameras around and let's get into today's video. All right, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. Now, welcome to the first impressions portion of the video. I hope everyone enjoyed the first part of the video where I went through a quick unboxing and packaging showcase of everything included in the package with the FIO MOTUS FM20 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give everyone my overall first impressions of the overall fit and the feel of everything included with the headphones, and then we're going to end the video and get into the testing. And I gotta tell you guys, yes, it's been so long since a pair of full-featured truly wireless headphones have come into the channel for review at an inexpensive price point. And I gotta tell y'all, if these headphones can deliver in at least 80% of what they offer in terms of the features and loadout, this is going to be a definite recommendation because these are a pair of truly wireless over-the-ear headphones, and it's been so long since I got to experience a really solid, inexpensive pair of truly wireless over-the-ear headphones that this one kind of caught me by surprise. Y'all saw the feature rundown, y'all saw the packaging, y'all saw everything included. Let's get into these first impressions. Now, I gotta tell y'all some things that I may not have put into the video notes. These do support the aux cable support, but in particular, when the headphones are dead and you plug in the aux cable, they will work on a dead battery. And in particular, when the aux cable is plugged in, they override the Bluetooth connectivity. So when you have the aux cable plugged in and you have a nice gold-plated cable, it overrides the Bluetooth functionality. And by far, if I'm being honest, if you want to get the best overall experience in regards to sound and clarity and bass, the best way by far to do that is via, gosh, y'all know I can't talk sometimes, is via the wired aux gold-plated connection. So I'm super excited to test these out wirelessly and wired to see if they truly can deliver everything that they claim to offer. But first things first, before we dive into the testing, okay, as I always do, all I've done since before recording that unboxing portion of the video is fully charge the headphones, and then I package them back up so we can all experience the unboxing experience together. Like, I did not even want to fully unbox these. I tried to do it as quickly and as minimalistly as possible so we can all experience this together. But now let's get into this first impressions. And I gotta tell y'all, a few things that really made me happy is that these have USB Type-C support. So say it with me, one cable to rule them all, USB Type-C, all the things. Other than that, these are fully swiveling, fully adjustable headphones, and they are that full over-the-ear style, and they got some super soft plush ear cups. Alright, so I'm dying to actually try these on, so let's go ahead, let me try them on now and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and the feel. Alright, so this is the left ear cup. You can see the label right there. That means that this is the right ear cup, so I was holding them backwards. Let's go ahead and try them on, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. And again, these are fully adjustable. Let's see how they fit. Let's go. Now putting them on. It's been so long. These fit on my head perfectly, and my ears are fully covered. And I gotta tell y'all, let me adjust them a little bit. Oh yes, I get that nice, compressed, but not uncomfortable fit on the head. So these are super comfortable, and the physical noise cancellation, I can barely hear myself talk right now. So without even turning on the active hybrid noise cancellation, the physical noise cancellation seems to be really good. Alright, so I can barely hear myself talk, and these fit on my head pretty much perfectly. Alright, let me whip out a phone real quick so I can show y'all what they look like on my head. We got that Google Pixel 6a recording this video here today. Alright, let's load it up. Let me unlock this, and let me just show y'all real quick. Let's take the profiles. So take this real quick front profile. Y'all know it's Sunday, it's laundry day. Y'all may have heard that machine in the background, please forgive me. but that's the front profile. Let's do the side profile real quick. Okay, that's one. And let's do the other one. And that's two. Let's see how it looks. Oh yes, these kind of remind me of a studio style pair of headphones. Oh yes indeed. Yes indeed. Okay. So let me show y'all real quick. So here is one profile here. And y'all can see that, and you can see it fully cover my ears. It fully covers my ears there. And it is super comfortable, if I gotta be honest with y'all. It's super comfortable right there. And then here's the other profile right here. And again, fully covering my ears there. So I gotta tell y'all, I'm pretty sure that once I start playing music, I'm only gonna be able to hear what I'm listening to. These kind of are really giving me DJ style headphone vibes. And then here's the front profile. And I gotta say, these fit super comfortably on my head. I can't wait to start testing them out. But there y'all go of the real quick profiles and first impressions of the overall fit and feel. I have to say, it feels pretty much top notch. Let's take them off real quick. Okay. And let's just swivel them and rest them down. So they are fully swiveling ear cups. So I can rest them down like this. And I gotta tell y'all, first impressions, these feel great on my head. I really like how they encapsulate my head and give me that full immersive experience without being overly pressurized and uncomfortable. So honestly, I can't wait to start testing these. Okay. Now, this is a Amazon Vine video. So my written review will come out on Amazon long before my video coverage does, because that's kind of what I do with my Amazon Vine videos. Amazon was gracious enough to take a chance on your boy and invite me to the program. So it's only right that I go ahead and write up the written review first. Okay? But that does not mean that, I'm gonna pull any punches. I'm gonna be as honest and straightforward as I always am. And I'm gonna let them know in the written review the good things about these headphones and the bad things about these headphones. And I'm gonna let y'all guys and gals know, written review style, if I could recommend that you guys and gals pick these up. But the written review for these will be out long before all of my video coverage for these will be out. But honestly, I can't wait to start testing these out. And yeah, that pretty much does it for today's full review. Okay? As always, as I always do, all the links to where y'all can pick up these headphones at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description, and those will contain affiliated buy links as well. So when you use the affiliated buy links to make your purchase, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that makes the affiliated buy links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. So not only will you get the affiliated buy links for the headphones, but you'll also get the affiliated buy links for all other products featured in today's video. That being said, today's video was recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and please leave all your feedback down below in the comments. And remember, guys and gals, to keep it respectful, please. Alright, I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and let's get into the coverage. on the FIO MOTUS FM20 truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Man, that name is a mouthful. I feel like I mispronounced it, but I did the best I can. It is what it is. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.